Look, Snore Bucket. I can't get any work done. I can't get any work done. No, with all that racket. What? What are you doing? Did I wake you up? That was a mean. Mean. Yeah. Oh. Oh, did you get a little crick? Did you get a little crick? Shake it off. Come on. We got to move around a little bit. Yeah, I sat at the desk too long. All right, rest in peace. What was that? I guess a bear. Parts left. Get your bear. Get that bear. Get that bear. Get that bear. Oh, nope, didn't want that. How about this fish? You like the heavy ones, and then you want to drop them on my feet, don't you? Yes, you do.